So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 10 till the 16th of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Leo. We have the sun card. Somebody is feeling like they are crystal clear as a sunny day. They are feeling like their thoughts, their feelings, their energies towards you are super clear now, and they're feeling extremely happy that they found the clarity, they found the answers that they were seeking for in this situation. Let's clarify the sun as their feelings for this particular situation between you and them, Leo. We have the Knight of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Page of Cups. Wow, this person is feeling like right now it's not the right time for them to act out of impulses or act out of immaturity. They feel like they should take their time before they are going to confess their feelings or express their feelings to you. They have something to confess to you. They have something to express to you related to their heart, related to their feelings. Sorry. Yeah, so this person is feeling like they should not come forward towards you with the stupid immature kind of energies. They feel like taking their time, rehearsing their speech, rehearsing what they are going to say to you. This person might be feeling like asking you out for, okay, if you guys are already connected to each other, they might be feeling like taking this situation to the next level. If not, this person might be feeling like asking you out for a date or something. And they definitely feel like they should not look like a stupid immature person. Okay, it happens when you like somebody, you just try to do things in a very positive way because you don't feel like looking like a fool, right? Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Page of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like keeping things friendly or cordial or stable. You're not that much invested in the situation or interested, maybe. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Leo. Yeah, we have the Ace of Wands and the Justice and the Eight of Cups. Yes, before starting or restarting a chapter with somebody, you feel like keeping things as balanced, as fair as you can, and walking away from any kind of illusion or delusion that you might be carrying about a particular situation or a person. So you feel like before starting any kind of chapter with somebody, you should have everything crystal clear right in front of you, and both of you should be on the same page, both of you should feel the same, both of you should have the same intentions. If it's not happening the way you want it to happen, you are planning to walk away. You don't want to live in any kind of illusion or delusion or any kind of what could have been or what can be or what could be kind of a thing. I'm very poor in grammar, just bear with me. And my nose is itching like crazy, bear with me. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? The Hermit in reverse. This person wants to talk to you now. This person wants to come out of their hermit mode. Hermit is like not talking, not speaking too much, thinking a lot but not doing much. So now this person wants to come out of the hermit mode and say something to you. Let's clarify the Hermit in reverse. Express something to you. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, the Six of Swords. Yes, this person wants to make sure to come forward towards you with a very mature, grounded, sorted kind of energy, so that you can decide whether you want to be with them or not, so that they can decide whether they can whether both of you are going to be together or they should move on. Okay, so they are being extremely, extremely patient here, extremely, extremely practical here. They want to come forward towards you with a solid offer of maybe a marriage or commitment or long-term partnership. And if you're going to say yes, they are ready to put in the effort and energy in this situation, and they definitely want equal into investment and interest from your side also. If you are not going to be interested in the offer, they are ready to move forward. They are ready to move forward towards calmer water. They are not going to waste their life or efforts or energy on something or someone where they are not going to get what they are looking for. So they have emotions, they feel for you, at the same time they are being extremely practical, and they know their worth. Okay, this is what their intentions are. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? We have the emperor. From your side, you just want to sit in your power, and you just want to let things be. You don't want to participate in the situation maybe right now. Mhm. Or you want to test the waters with this person before you guys are going to commit, or before you guys are going to be ready to move forward in this direction. Let's clarify the emperor as your intentions for this particular person or situation, Leo. We have the page of wands, the eight of swords, the nine of swords. Yeah, you just want to keep things cordial, friendly, happy go lucky. You might be ready to go on dates with this person. You might be ready to explore new places, new situations with this person, but you don't want to get yourself trapped in the situation too quickly, or you don't want to fall in love with this person too quickly because you don't want to add any kind of stressful energies in your life anymore. You might have gone through same kind of situations before as well, where somebody was very much interested in you. They came to you and you also got interested and invested in the situation, and then everything went down. Mm. Now you want to proceed further with a lot of caution. You just want to test the waters with this person with every possible way, and then you want to decide whether to let it go or proceed further, or do something about the situation or not. Okay, let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 16th of August 2026, Leo. We have the seven of swords. Some kind of deceptive energy is coming out, some kind of deception or secretive energy is coming out, whether it's yours or somebody else's. Okay, let's clarify the seven of swords as the potential outcome for you guys here, Leo. We have the six of wands, four of wands, the sun card. If something too good to be true is coming forward towards you, check out for the red flags. You will get to know something about this person. Maybe you are going to find out they're already married. You are going to find out they're already committed to somebody else. Or if you were asking them questions about commitment, marriage, the future, they might not have given you proper answers, but you will get to know each and everything about a situation that is related to commitment. Maybe they're trying to hide their feelings from you, that they're not interested in anything more than a friendship, but deep, deep, deep down they are dying to marry you and dying to have kids with you, and you will get to know about it. It can be as simple as that. It can be as complicated as they might be already married or committed to somebody else, and they might be trying to have a relationship with you also, but you will get to know about it. Whatever it is like a secret or some kind of deceptive energies regarding a commitment is going to come out. It's going to be crystal clear as a day in front of you, sunny, like crystal clear as a sunny day in front of you. How you go, what you are going to do after that, how you are going to approach the situation after that is a different story. So take it how it resonates with you. Somebody's deceptive energy, somebody's secret regarding some kind of commitment or marriage is going to come out, and then it's going to change everything in the dynamics. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week for this situation. Leo, we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Cups, and the King of Swords. This too shall pass, Leo. You might be still struggling with some kind of emotional loss that you might have gone through maybe 5 years ago, 10 years ago, who knows. But it doesn't mean that this is not valid, or you should not feel like this, or you should not go through the pain. It is okay. It is completely okay, as long as you are clear that there are certain things or people or situations that are still bothering you, that are still hurting you, that still needs to be properly healed and released. As long as you are fair, you with yourself, balanced with yourself, honest with yourself, you are good to go. You will be able to get out of this uh, you know not so good phase of your life very, very soon. Especially in your love and relationship area. Just because you got disappointed in your past, whether you got disappointed 10 times or 100 times, doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that you are always going to get the same kind of results, same kind of energies. You have to shift your own energies from inside drastically in order to have drastically different outcomes in your 3D world, which includes this energy of coming out of this limiting belief that you are never going to get the love, the kind of love that you want. You're never going to have a good relationship. You're never going to get what you want. You will be able to get it, but for that you have to work on your vibrations on a deeper level. Once your belief system is going to shift, once your energies are going to shift, the outcomes are also going to change and shift drastically. Hmm? And it's okay to be sad, it's okay to be upset about things, but it's not okay to pretend to be okay when you're not okay. That's the deal that you have to take care of. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Leo. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like, okay? And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay. So the answer to your question is yes. It's a full-fledged yes, so I don't have to explain. I don't have to say anything. Let me say yeah. Okay. This is clear, strong, positive response to your question. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.